and welcome back, traders. Today's daily trading reminder is that you have more options than to just simply buy and sell single or naked calls or puts, guys. You can do more than that, so much more. So if you're not familiar with verticals, back ratios, calendars, diagonals, straddles, triangles, cover stocks, butterflies, condors, iron condors, etc. Get familiar. Understand what your options are when it comes to options, because it will help you be a more profitable and more consistent trader. Okay, understand what you can do after you, let's say you do buy a single put. What else can you do with that instead of just simply closing that position? That may give you the advantage of actually making money in other ways without having to just simply close that position out. And that's all for today, guys. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's make that money.
More money, more money.